good YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest meme coins in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and we got a banger of a video for you guys. In this one, we're gonna backtrack on a project that I covered before, and I'll show you guys how crazy meme coins degen plays can get in this space. Before I get into the video, just gotta let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. Be sure to do your own research on any project. Please don't take any of this as financial advice because crypto is very volatile, very risky. So stay safe out there, guys, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now you can see on screen I got my channel pulled up, Meme Coin Daily, 74 subscribers. It really help out if you guys could hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and subscribe for more great content, you know what I'm saying? As you guys can see, 5 days ago I spoke about this project, the Ethereum of meme coins, proof of memes. It was sitting around 14 million market cap when I spoke about it earlier. What happened 5 days later, guys? Things move so fast in crypto. It is insane, okay? It is insane how fast things move in crypto. From 14 million all the way up to an all-time high of I think 47 million market cap. It's retracing down a bit now, came back down to 36 million. But 47 million, from 14 million to 47 million, that's a few X's right there, guys. That's some gains right there, you know what I'm saying? And if you was gonna play it safe, now you could pull out your initial investment and just leave in that moon bag and see where it goes. Proof of memes, ETH 2.0, right now sitting at 788k liquidity, 1.1 million in 24-hour trade volume. A lot of buys and sells, a lot of people in this project. I'm telling you guys, if you're on crypto Twitter, you're on the degen side, the ETH side of crypto Twitter, you have seen this project. One of your top, crypto Twitter influencers has definitely mentioned this, because this has gone from launch, I think, like to 1200x or something crazy like that. 1.9k holders, guys. But yeah, to everyone in the POM community, congrats, especially if you got in down here. This is when you buy a chart. When it's just flat like this is when you buy a chart. So when it pops, oh yeah, you know, so you get it down here when it's flat like this, and then when it pops, yeah, we up. And for everyone that's unfamiliar with the project, remember, proof of memes is a blockchain. It is a layer 1 blockchain, the new blockchain exclusively for meme coins. POM chain is a proof of work Ethereum fork prior to EIP 1559. EIP 1559 means talking about the burn mechanism that was implemented on Ethereum. So it was forked before that took place. So guys, this project is a layer 1 blockchain. It has utility, it has smart contracts, and you just never know what could happen in the future for a project like this. Think about it. There could be a built ecosystem. A bunch of devs come to the blockchain and start building on the ecosystem. There could be a proof of memes metaverse. There could be a whole bunch of NFT projects that launch on it as well. There could be burn mechanisms that are implemented by other projects. A project is developed in the ecosystem. You have to use proof of memes to use it, and every time you make a transaction, there's a 2%, 3% burn on every transaction of the proof of meme coin. You know what I'm saying? The possibilities are endless with this one, y'all. And I see on the site that they have a launch pack NFT collection mint. So I'm guessing they have new NFTs that are minting right now. Proof of memes launch pack. Is that is that the Mike Tyson tattoo right here? Okay, that's funny. The Launchpad will offer you an exclusive opportunity to purchase private sale tokens on the POM Launchpad. Okay, so once you have the NFTs, you could get tokens before a lot of the projects launch. You know what I'm saying? And get in early, be an early investor. Project launches goes 5-10x. Could be a good thing to check out, guys. This one of 490 rarity item will offer you a 20% discount compared to the public pre-sale or launch price. Okay, yeah, I have proof of memes pulled up right here on CMC for you guys to check out. Up 87% on the day. up 300% on the week, guys. 21.9 mil market cap on CMC. CMC numbers are always inaccurate. This is why I use Dex tools. Volume 1.2 million. Okay, the volume is accurate. And look at this chart, man. See how this was just flat for like when it launched on it went live on CMC on the 28th, and then you know, from the 20th, anytime from these 5 to 6 days, anytime you bought here, you just get some crazy gains just buying the project when it was just flatlined like this, not saying much. It was just accumulating, and then a big pop to the upside, y'all. And most of that trade volume, yeah, it's on Uniswap, and it's not listed on any exchanges yet. So imagine the trade volume when it starts getting listed on exchanges, how much more people are gonna get into the ecosystem and learn about it when they see you know, a CEX listing for POM. It's gonna be crazy, guys. I can't wait to see how well the project performs in the future. We're gonna go through some of the tweets. We're gonna go through the official Twitter first, and then see what crypto Twitter is saying about the project. Memes, ETH 2.0 facts. ETH 2.0 holders will be eligible for the POM coin, POM chain airdrop at a ratio equivalent to wallet ETH 2.0 holders. Okay, ETH 2.0 is nearing an illiquid token supply shock. So wow, I didn't even check that. Hold on, let me see. Look at this, guys. On Dex tools, it's only like 0.75% left in the pool. What? Guys, that supply shock is real. Less than 1% in the Uniswap pool, guys. Imagine an exchange comes and tries to scoop up some of these tokens. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be insane. Okay, we have a video here from Ian. I'm just gonna play a little bit of the video, see what Ian got to say about PO.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my studio, live with another video. Guys, I hope you're paying attention. Proof of memes is tearing it up, guys. The layer 1 blockchain is going to be dropped, airdropped to the holders of ETH 2.0 very soon, guys. If you knew what I knew, you would be insanely bullish on this. Let's just pull up the chart real quick, and then we're going to pull up why to buy the NFTs. I've picked myself up a bunch of NFTs. All right, look at this chart right here. We're sitting at $15.75 million market cap. You see this flagged out right here.
This was before it shot up all the way to 47 million, guys. Crazy.
Here, the huge breakout. I see all-time highs in the near future, especially if you knew the future of this. Guys, by holding the coin, you will be airdropped. The layer 1. The layer 1 is going to absolutely tear it up. Let's go back and let's just pull up the NFTs right here. The NFTs, I just picked up a couple of them, and I want you guys to check this out because they have huge utility behind the NFTs. All right, so just a couple of the utilities. You're going to have Palm Chain events coming soon. You're going to get VIP access for being a holder of the NFTs.
Okay.
Proof of memes. Palm Chain conference is going to be in Miami, Las Vegas, and Dallas.
Doing events is very nice. That way everybody could, you know, all the investors can meet up, have some fun. I like that.
Now, this is the part I'm most excited. You're going to get 20% off the Launchpad. Wallet holders of a Launchpad NFT, they get 25% off of the Layer 1 blockchain PalmPad pre-sales. That is bullish, guys, especially.
This is what I was saying. That gives use to the NFTs. I don't know if you guys are into NFTs at all, but normally when you get into NFTs, they don't have much utility at all. They're more like collectible items, you know what I'm saying, like baseball cards. Right now, proof of memes, ETH 2.0 has officially smashed Dogecoin family in total market capitalization. And I'm a fan of Dogecoin. I like what they did, you know what I'm saying, giving use case to Doge. I like that. Proof of memes passed Dogecoin in market cap, guys. Donald knows proof of memes. So they got the Donald to talk about the project. I'm usually excited for proof of memes because they have built a layer 1 blockchain for meme coins.
Hello everyone, you know who this is. Look, if you know me at all, you know that I'm a huge fan of meme coins. I love meme coins because they make me laugh, they make me smile. Occasionally they make me cry, but they give me a huge amount of diverse reactions, okay? So I love meme coins and they drive an incredible amount of volume. So you got to check out ETH 2.0 / proof of memes. They've built a layer 1 blockchain that's going to be released soon. And it's going to serve as the home for all these fantastic meme coins that'll drive an incredible amount of volume. I love this project so much.
Hey, marketing, guys. Very fun, very funny, guys. This is how it should be in the meme community, in the DJing community. Should be mostly about fun. Alright guys, let's go for a few tweets, see what the rest of crypto Twitter is saying about proof of memes. North Star King, Saito Reality. The proof of memes project onboarding pitch deck is now live. Share this presentation with developers and communities of projects you'd like to bridge or launch something brand new on POM chain. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Proof of meme project onboarding deck. So developers come over to the ecosystem. They start developing on POM chain. Possibilities are endless. Moon King B Roots, the green checkmark goals of POM chain. Proof of memes flipped the doubters. Proof of memes flipped Doge chain, DC. Proof of memes will flip ApeCoin, Shiba, and Doge. $POM. Chiro Crypto, congrats to POM Chaz. I never ate this one, but truly pumped for the team and holders. But yeah, that mentality that Chiro Crypto has, really appreciate it. Really like to see that. You know what I'm saying? I love to see when people get gains, get success in the crypto space. Going back to that supply squeeze I was talking about, regular Zach. This is insane. Uniswap is running out of liquidity for proof of memes. This was at 1% about 25 minutes ago. Price is yet to be discovered for this gem. Right here he's on Etherscan and he's seen the Uniswap pool 0.98%. Let me check it right now so you guys can see instead of just showing you from the DEX tools. Okay, holders, scroll down. Okay, there it is, the Uniswap. 0.758% left. Yo, I didn't even notice this before, guys. This is insane. Okay, I know I've said it insane a bunch of times, but this is crazy. Less than 1% is in Uniswap. But yeah, guys, that brings me to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you hold proof of memes, I really appreciate if you guys could support the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for my future videos. Let me know your thoughts of proof of memes down in the comment section. I really love to read and engage with y'all, see what y'all thoughts are like. Again, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.